Alright guys, welcome back to the channel here at Fonzie's Garage. I'm currently here right now with my co-pilot. We're actually getting ready to go check out a new car, well, new to the channel at least. And we're going to be doing some driving today, but along with my buddy over here, say hi.
Hi.
We're going to go ahead and we're going to get this done and we'll keep you guys posted. You like it? Really? It's his favorite.
I really like the car.
I think this is my favorite. I guess I like
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me I'll